Nang ban kinti ka kam chungo kai perthai ha ke chala Meghalaya u chairman jaga Meghalaya Tourism Development Corporation u saleng e sangma ula pente balabu jingterwa khmar umentri rang ba ke chala ye bon ki rukam ki ban khrengi ki nong chungo kai perthai kini kin kintup ye ka parasailing jet ski bat ki cable car ha ki jaka kum ha umyam bat ha ki than apashlong Uang ba kejela kala dan lupai ki jaka ki baitanan kumta dan kam satang katu kat ni ka jing penpha ka bala ban wanra ka jing kala ha ka kam chungo kai perthai
There's a lots of best, you can say, good places. Maybe when you go to outside, for example, Bali or maybe some other places, Taiwan and all, they have made the places where it was not looking good. Okay, they have transformed those places. Whereas our one, Meghalaya, has got a natural beauty actually. Okay, no need to do much. Only thing is that we have to give a little touch. Okay, if we little touch and give a little refinement, what we can do is that we can transform the whole area into a tourist destination. Now, especially right now, I have proposed for parasailing and then jet ski and then even that what do you call this one, orchid lodge also. I want to make it an exclusive, so that I am trying to make this that dock, so that the private boat can come, and then those who are staying in that particular orchid lodge, they can have the exclusive of that private what do you call it, boat, and also they can explore the whole area of the Umiam Lake. Another thing is that, like, we are proposing this that cable car and all, okay, ropeway. Whereas, for example, I have seen in one in Maukarwa. Actually, it's a very beautiful place. You see, if you make one cable car, to the other side, to the other end of the hill area, whereas you can explore and come back, and then maybe we will have the best place. I'm telling you, in the whole region. Okay, whatever Switzerland, whatever the Scotland, they are doing it. I'm telling you, we will be one of the best tourist destination. We've got lots of beautiful waterfalls. We've got lots of beautiful landscapes. When you go to Cherrapunji, you see, we are talking about the Grand Canyon in America. Okay, you will see the one of the best canyon within the Meghalaya itself. Look at the canyon. You see, so those things we just have to refine a little bit. I think transformation is what is required, and I'm asking our chief minister to help the tourist department, and then he's eager to help also. So that parasailing and all, I think before 50 years that we celebrate, I think those things will come. So it will add up in celebrations of 50 years.